बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम जीके के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ डिस्कस करेंगे, जिनमें कंट्रीज़ से रिलेटेड काफ़ी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन है। कंट्रीज़ के कैपिटल हो गए, उनकी करेंसीज़ हो गई, इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेसेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइंस और काफ़ी सारे टॉपिक्स को कवर करेंगे। तो आज की जो वीडियो है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाली है। अगर आप किसी भी एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, फिर चाहे वो एफपीएससी का हो, पीपीएससी का हो या कोई भी वन पेपर एग्ज़ाम हो, तो ये वाले जीके के एमसीक्यूज़ आपके लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं। इनको लाजमी आपने प्रिपेयर करना है। आज के इस लेक्चर को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, देयर आर डैश कंट्रीज़ इन द वर्ल्ड। देयर आर 195 कंट्रीज़ इन द वर्ल्ड। म्यांमार इज़ द न्यू नेम ऑफ बर्मा। कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज़ कैनबरा। In Afghanistan, who was the supreme leader of the ruling Taliban who captured Kabul on 27th of September 1996? Mullah Muhammad Umar. Addis Ababa is the capital of Ethiopia. Which country exploded its first nuclear device underground? Britain. Changed name of Formosa is Taiwan. Germany was divided into two separate independent states, East Germany and West Germany, in 1945. East Germany and West Germany were once again merged into one state on 3rd of October 1990. Tashkent is the capital of Uzbekistan. Sheikh Hasina Wajid became Bangladesh Prime Minister after Khaleda Zia. अब हम करेंसीज़ देख लेते हैं। अफ़गानी इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ अफ़गानिस्तान। लेके इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ अल्बानिया। दिनार इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ अल्जीरिया। फ्रेंच फ्रैंक एंड स्पेनिश पेसेटा आर द करेंसीज ऑफ अंडोरा। न्यू कवांजा इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ अंगोला। ईस्ट कैरिबियन डॉलर इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ एंटीगुआ एंड बारबूदा। Peso is the currency of Argentina. Ruble Russian is the currency of Armenia. Dollar is the currency of जो कंट्रीज़ गिवन हैं उनमें से ऑस्ट्रेलिया है। Shilling is the currency of Austria. Manat is the currency of Azerbaijan. Again, dollar is the currency of Bahamas. Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. Again, dollar is the currency of Barbados. जिन जिन कंट्रीज़ की सेम करेंसी है, जैसे कि डॉलर कितने कंट्रीज़ की करेंसी है, उनको आप एक जगह लिख लें। और इसके बाद अब रूबल है, वो किस किस कंट्री की करेंसी है। सेम करेंसीज़ वाली कंट्रीज़ जो हैं वो आप अपने पास नोट डाउन करते जाएं और फिर उनको इकट्ठा पढ़ना जो है वो फिर आपको याद रहता है कि कौन कौन सी कंट्रीज़ की जो करेंसी है वो डॉलर थी, कौन सी कंट्रीज़ की करेंसी जो है वो रुपया थी, कौन सी कंट्रीज़ की करेंसी जो है वो रूबल है। सो इसके लिए हैंड रिटन नोट्स जो है वो लाजमी बनाया करें। अपने हाथ से जो लिखी हुई चीज़ होती है वो आपको नहीं भूलती, वो याद रहती है। सिर्फ वही चीज़ लिखा करें जो आपको नहीं आती है या आपको लगता है कि थोड़े टाइम के बाद वो आपको भूल जाएगी। जो ज़्यादातर याद करने वाली चीज़ें होती हैं लॉजिकल नहीं होती हैं, उनको टाइम टू टाइम आप रिवाइज़ करते रहते हैं तो फिर वो आपकी लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी में चली जाती हैं। इसलिए जब आप हैंड रिटन नोट्स बनाते हैं तो उसके लिए जितना भी पड़ा है वो सारा लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बल्कि जो चीज़ें आपको आपकी शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी में जाती हैं, जैसे कि डेट्स हो गई या कंट्री के कैपिटल हो गए, जैसे कि ये करेंसीज़ हैं, तो इस तरह की चीज़ें आप अपने पास लिखते जाया करें ताकि रिवीजन के टाइम पर आप सिर्फ उन चीज़ों को रिवाइज़ करें जिनकी ज़रूरत है, बजाय इसके कि आप सारे नोट्स को पढ़ते रहें और वो बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम टेकिंग होता है। अगले एमसीक्यूज़ की तरफ जाते हैं। फ्रैंक इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ बेल्जियम। डॉलर इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ बिलाइज। CFA फ्रैंक इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ बेनिन। डॉलर इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ बरमूदा। निगल्ट्रम इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ भूटान। बोलिवियानोस इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ बोलिविया। Dinar is the currency of Bosnia-Herzegovina. Pula is the currency of Botswana. Cruzeiro is the currency of Brazil. Again, dollar is the currency of Canada. Lev is the currency of Bulgaria. CFA franc is the currency of Burkina Faso. Franc is the currency of Burundi. फिर है राइल इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ कंबोडिया RIEL. राइल इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ कंबोडिया. डॉलर इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ ब्रुनाई. एस्क्यूडो इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ केप वर्डे. CFA franc is the currency of Cameroon. Peso is the currency of Chile. Yuan is the currency of China. Colon is the currency of Costa Rica. Dinar is the currency of Croatia. Pound is the currency of Cyprus. Koruna is the currency of Czech Republic. Korny is the currency of Denmark. Peso is the currency of Cuba. CFA franc is the currency of Congo. Kroner is the currency of Norway. Franc is the currency of Djibouti. East Caribbean dollar is the currency of Dominica. Sucre is the currency of Ecuador. Pound is the currency of Egypt. Colon is the currency of El Salvador. Baib Kevele is the currency of Equatorial Guinea. Keroon is the currency of Estonia. Bir is the currency of Ethiopia. Currency of Vietnam is Dong. Currency of Romania is Lei. Currency of Saudi Arabia is Rial. Currency of Singapore is dollar. Currency of Slovakia is koruna. Currency of Slovenia is tolar. Currency of Somalia is shilling. Currency of South Africa is rand. Currency of Sri Lanka is rupee. Currency of Spain is peseta. Yen is the currency of Japan. Lira is the currency of Italy. Rial is the currency of Iran. Shilling is the currency of Kenya. Ruble is the currency of Russia. Won is the currency of Korea. Pound is the currency of Lebanon. Dinar is the currency of Kuwait. Zloty is the currency of Poland. Kvacha is the currency of Malawi. Currency of Switzerland is franc. Currency of Taiwan is New Taiwan dollar. Currency of Thailand is baht. Currency of Togo is CFA franc. Currency of Ukraine is hryvnia. Currency of UAE is dirham. Currency of Maldives is rufiya. Currency of Ghana is cedi. Currency of Turkey is lira. Currency of Malaysia is ringgit. Rial is the currency of Yemen. Pound sterling is the currency of UK. Dollar is the currency of USA. Franc is the currency of France. Dalasi is the currency of Gambia. Rupiah is the currency of Indonesia. Deutsche Mark is the currency of Germany. Forint is the currency of Hungary. Kroner is the currency of Iceland. Rupee is the currency of India. Currency of Mexico is peso. Currency of Mongolia is Tagrik. Currency of Nepal is rupee. Currency of Netherlands is guilder. Currency of New Zealand is dollar. Currency of Nigeria is Naira. Currency of Panama is Balboa. Currency of Philippines is Peso. Currency of Sudan is Dinar. Currency of Sweden is Kirona. अब हम changed geographical names देख लेते हैं. The new name of Abyssinia is Ethiopia. Ankara is the new name of Angora. Give the new name of Batavia, Jakarta. The old name of Sri Lanka was Ceylon. East Pakistan is now called Bangladesh. The new name of Sandwich Islands is Hawaiian Islands. The changed name of Persia is Iran. Give the new name of Constantinople, Istanbul. Taiwan is the new name of Formosa. East Indies is now called Indonesia. Nippon is the new name of Japan. Pipri, that is in Pakistan, is now called Bin Qasim. Myanmar is the changed name of Burma. Siam is the old name of Thailand. Rangoon's new name is Yangon. Peking is now called Beijing. Dhaka was formerly called Dhaka. Layalpur is now called Faisalabad. Give the old name of Athens, Ethanol. Southwest Africa is now called Namibia. Which country is called Land of Mountains? Nepal. What is geographical epithet of Japan? Land of Rising Sun. Which country is called Flower Garden of Europe? Netherlands. Which country is called Gift of Nile? Egypt. What is the geographical epithet of Bahrain? Isle of Pearls. Which country enjoys the epithet of Land of Golden Fiber? Bangladesh. Which country is called Land of Thousand Islands? Indonesia. To which country the epithet Cockpit of Europe refers? Belgium. What is the epithet of New Zealand? Britain of South. Which country is called Island Continent? Australia. Which country is called Horn of Africa? Somalia. Which city is called City of Bazaars? Cairo. What is the geographical epithet of New York? City of Skyscrapers. Which city is called Forbidden City? Lahore, Pakistan. Which city is called Manchester of Pakistan? Faisalabad. What is the geographical epithet of Chicago? Windy City. Which city is called Pyramid City? Cairo, in Egypt. Which city is called Gateway of India? Mumbai. What is the geographical epithet of Shiraz, in Iran? City of Roses and Nightingales. Important places of the world. Alexandria is the famous city and an important seaport of Egypt. The capital of Ghana is Accra. What is Abu Simbel? Its temple in Egypt. Al-Aqsa Mosque is in Jerusalem. Name the city which is famous for the tomb of Sufi saint Khaja Muinuddin Chishti. Ajmer. Adelaide is the famous city of Australia. The capital of Jordan is Amman. Akal Takht, famous for Sikhs, is a place in the Golden Temple of Amritsar. Babylon is the famous city of Iraq. Bastille was a dash in Paris which was destroyed on 14th of July 1789 during the French Revolution. Bastille was a jail. Camp David is a place located in Dash where Egypt and Israel signed the Camp David Accord. Camp David is a place located in USA. Gaza is the famous city of Palestine. The headquarters of LWTE guerrillas Jaffna is located in Sri Lanka. Greenwich is a town near Dash through which passes the meridian. Greenwich is a town near London. Pentagon is the headquarters of US Army which is located in Washington. The capital of South Korea is Seoul. The famous place Notre Dame is located in France. The greatest seaport in China is Shanghai. Shimla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh, is famous for Shimla Agreement. Name the largest town in Israel, Tel Aviv. Texla, the ancient city of Punjab, is famous for archaeological excavations. Zurich is an important city of Switzerland. Pentagon is the headquarters of US Army. Camp David is located in USA. It gained fame due to an agreement which was signed by Israel and Egypt in the year of 1979. Hollywood, USA is famous for its film industry. Which place is the famous resort for tourism? Honolulu. Which place gained fame during French Revolution in 1789? Bastille. Which place produces petroleum on large scale? Kirkuk. Amman is the famous city and capital of Jordan. Which city is located in Iraq? Babylon. Which place is the headquarters of LWTE Jaffna? Which place is not in India? Texla. Texla पंजाब में है, पाकिस्तान में. Famous international lines and streets. Durand Line is the frontier between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Downing Street is famous for official residence of British Prime Minister. World's shortest street, Elgin Street, is located in Scotland. 38 parallel line is the boundary line between North and South Korea. The world's widest street, Broadway, is in USA. Bond Street is located in London and is famous for tailoring and jewelry. The boundary line between India and China is called McMahon Line. Wall Street is located in New York. World's longest street, Yonge Street, is located in Canada. Hotline is a direction telephone line between Dash for use in emergency, heads of government. International airlines. To which country the famous international airline Biman belongs? Bangladesh. Which airline belongs to Germany? Lufthansa. Which of the following airline belongs to Russia? Aeroflot. To which country the famous international airline Trans World Airways TWA belongs? It belongs to USA. Which airline belongs to Hong Kong? Cathay Pacific. To which nation the airline Sabena belongs? Belgium. To which country the airlines Garuda belongs? Indonesia. The airline named KLM belongs to Netherlands. Aeroflot is the airline of Russia. The famous airport Dum Dum is located in Kolkata in India. Name the Italian international airline. Alitalia. Dash is the name of Nepal's airline, Royal Nepal Airlines. Transworld Airway belongs to USA. The biggest airport in the world at Dallas is situated in Saudi Arabia. The famous airline Lufthansa belongs to Germany. Kennedy Airport is situated in New York. Chaklala Airport is situated in Islamabad. Scandinavian Airlines operates in the countries of Norway, Sweden and Denmark. To which country the airport named Heathrow Gatwick belongs? It belongs to London, UK. Where is the airport named Charles de Gaulle located? It's located in Paris in France. Which international airport is located in USA? Kennedy. In which city the famous Dum Dum Airport is located? It's located in India. Which airport is located in Italy? Leonardo da Vinci. Where is Chaklala Airport located? It's located in Rawalpindi in Pakistan. Important news agencies and places of the world. Anatolia is the news agency of Turkey. The famous news agency Reuters belongs to Britain. Alexandria is the seaport of Egypt. The world's leading banking center is Zurich. Dash is the capital of Norway, Oslo. Name the greatest seaport in China, Shanghai. Dash is the news agency of Egypt, MENA. Shimla, famous for Shimla Agreement, is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Al-Aqsa Mosque is in Jerusalem. Moscow is situated on the bank of river Moskva. Famous film industry center Hollywood is in USA. Name the Russian news agency Interfax. The capital and important seaport of Hawaii Islands is Honolulu. Khartoum is situated on the bank of Nile. Agra in India is famous for Taj Mahal. What is the capital of Turkey? Ankara. Dash is the largest town in Israel. It is famous for its art galleries, museums, and theaters. Tel Aviv. Sugar bowl of the world is Cuba. Name the Yugoslavian news agency Tanjug. Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar. Which of the following news agencies belongs to France? AFP. To which nation the news agency Anatolia belongs? Turkey. News agency that belongs to Jordan is Petra. To which country the news agency APP belongs? Pakistan. Which news agency belongs to Japan? Kyodo. The news agency Xinhua belongs to China. Which news agency belongs to Russia? Interfax. To which country the news agency MENA belongs? Egypt. Which news agency belongs to Britain? Reuters. Military awards of different nations. Which military award belongs to Britain? Victoria Cross. To which nation the military award named Knight Cross belongs? It belongs to Germany. To which country the military award named Order of Rising Sun belongs? It belongs to Japan. The military medal Param Veer Chakra belongs to India. Victoria Cross is a famous military award which belongs to UK, and Knight's Cross belongs to Germany. The Knight's Cross is also known as Iron Cross. Some important international days. On which date World Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April? Which day is celebrated on 27th of September? World Tourism Day. On which date is World Population Day celebrated? On 11th of July. Which day is celebrated on 1st of May each year throughout the world? Labor Day. On which date Human Rights Day is celebrated? 10th of December. On which date World AIDS Day is celebrated? 1st of December. Which country celebrates Guy Fawkes Day on 5th of November each year? Great Britain. Dragon Boat Festival is celebrated in China each year on 9th of June. Which country celebrates Carnival on 8th February to 12th each year? Brazil. On which date Boxing Day is celebrated in Australia, Canada, UK and New Zealand? On 26th of December. Parliaments of important countries. What is the name of Parliament of Nepal? Panchayat. Parliament of South Africa is called House of Assembly. What is the name of Parliament of Israel? Knesset. Duma is the name of Assembly of Russia. The Parliament of Poland is Sejm. Parliament of Norway is Storting. What is the name of the Parliament of Denmark? Folketing. Diet is the name of Parliament of Japan. The name of Mongolian Parliament is Hurat. What is the name of Parliament of Spain? Croats. The Parliament of Sweden is called Riksdag. Majlis is the name of the Assembly of Iran. Some important abbreviations. A bomb, atomic bomb. AJK, Azad, Jammu and Kashmir. ADBP stands for Agricultural Development Bank of Pakistan. AMC stands for Army Medical College. APP stands for Associated Press of Pakistan. ASI stands for Assistant Sub-Inspector. BBC stands for British Broadcasting Corporation. BC stands for Before Christ. BSE stands for Bachelor of Science. CAA stands for Civil Aviation Authority. CBA stands for Collective Bargaining Agent. CJ stands for Chief Justice. CBR stands for Central Board of Revenue. CNN stands for Cable News Network. CSS stands for Central Superior Services. CTBT stands for Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. DC stands for Deputy Commissioner. DIG stands for Deputy Inspector General. EAC stands for Extra Assistant Commissioner. ECO stands for Economic Cooperation Organization. EPB stands for Export Promotion Bureau. FIA stands for Federal Investigation Agency. GATT stands for General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. GPO stands for General Post Office. HBFC stands for House Building Finance Corporation. HC stands for High Court. HTV stands for Heavy Transport Vehicle. IBM stands for International Business Machines. ICJ stands for International Court of Justice. ILO stands for International Labour Organization. ISO stands for International Standardization Organization. IMF stands for International Monetary Fund. KDA stands for Karachi Development Authority. LBW stands for Leg Before Wicket. LDA stands for Lahore Development Authority. MBA stands for Master of Business Administration. MNA stands for Member of National Assembly. MSc stands for Master of Science. NAM stands for Non-Aligned Movement. NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. NCC stands for National Cadet Corps. NIC stands for National Identity Card. OSD stands for Officer on Special Duty. PCO stands for Public Call Office. PIA stands for Pakistan International Airline. PML stands for Pakistan Muslim League. SSP stands for Senior Superintendent Police. STN stands for Shalimar Television Network. UNO stands for United Nations Organization. UPS stands for Uninterrupted Power Supply. USSR stands for Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. VHF stands for Very High Frequency. WAPDA stands for Water and Power Development Authority. VIP stands for Very Important Person. आज की इस वीडियो के लिए इतना काफ़ी है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो रिसीव करने के लिए अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करके साथ में मौजूद बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि जब मैं नई वीडियो अपलोड करूं तो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए।